Hello everyone, my name is Tarandeep Singh and we are from Kelvin Institute. As you know, 10th CBSE result has just been declared and हमारे Kelvin students ने बहुत ही शानदार परफॉर्मेंस दिया है इस CBSE रिजल्ट में. हमारे साथ हैं Kelvin के CBSE के टॉपर 10th क्लास के, उनका नाम है सानवी गुप्ता. तो आइए देखते हैं क्या कहना है उनका उनकी इस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में. Hi Sanvi, how are you?
Sir, I'm good.
Just tell me your name and from which batch you are in Kelvin.
Sir, I'm Sanvi Gupta from Radical AZ01 Peak Day Exam.
Okay, and why we are having this conversation?
Because I've secured very good marks in class and board results.
Okay, so can we be very specific about very good marks? What exactly percentage you scored?
99.3% in science, maths and social science.
So very congratulations to you, Sanvi, first of all, and your parent as well, right? You have scored really very good, and you have made us proud. Thank you so much. So Sanvi, we do have some few questions for you. Like जब रिजल्ट चेक कर रहे थे, जब ऑनलाइन बैठे थे, तो ऐसा होता है ना कि साइट नहीं चल रहा होता है, बहुत ट्रैफिक होता है, तो उस टाइम पे कैसा रिएक्शन था जब रिजल्ट चेक किया तो?
Sir, first of all, I was really nervous as well as excited. And of course, the site was not opening because so many people are trying at the same time. And even my site did not open. And one of my uncles sent me the result because he was able to open it on his system.
Okay.
So I got the result on WhatsApp and I was so excited. First of all, I was like shocked.
Right. You have scored 100 out of 100 in maths. That is fantabulous. How was the reaction? Was it expected?
Sir, actually maths, so it was expected because I had been working very hard throughout the year and that was like one of my favorite subjects.
Right. We can see now that is the favorite subject you are having, and that will be in the future also, right?
Sir, right now though I'm like focused on medical.
Okay,
But,
that's great.
Maths and biology, I like both the subjects.
Okay, so just Sanvi, for the viewers, we would like to have an idea ki how you have managed your time, like in the study also, and obviously you have to take your leisure time, like to play any hobby or to do any hobby. So what kind of time management you have done in this particular year?
Sir, I was like not only studying, I was doing variety of co-curricular activities and competitions. And of course, recreation is very important. Otherwise, you get more and more stressed. So, like first of all, there was school in the morning, and in the afternoon also, like 3 to 4 days there was coaching. So I used to manage my time like after coming from school and before coaching, I used to relax myself by listening to music or sometimes I used to dance, etc. And in the schools also, I was participating in competitions, so that refreshed my mind as well as gave me more confidence.
That's great. So it doesn't mean that you have to only study, right? You have to keep
Yes,
your
sure.
mind calm also, right? So that is the beautiful answer by you. So just let our viewer know ki what exactly Kelvin has helped you out in this board exam.
I think that it was a very big contribution by Kelvin because first of all there was total concept clearance. In the classes we were being taught from the basic board level to the NTSC level, so that cleared all the concepts. And secondly, I would like to mention the weekly tests because those were really helpful to analyze my performance from time to time. And there were doubt clearing sessions whenever like we faced any doubts, we could arrange it by contacting the coordinators. So that was it.
Right. So it's our pleasure, like to we also been proud कि यार आप जैसे students जो हैं बहुत अच्छा perform करते हैं, right? And obviously your parents will be proud for that. So how your parent reaction? कैसा था उनका reaction?
So they were really happy. Like first of all, they were in tears because I was like expecting very good results, but the percentage was really good. So everyone was really happy.
That is a very good answer. So how your parents supported actually? Because see, कभी-कभी क्या होता है, there are so many students who feel like कि board exam is like a paradox. एक तरह का ये बहुत जाल है जिसमें फंस जाना है. So how your parents supported in that actually?
Sir, first of all, they did not like put any pressure on me. The urge to study was from within myself only. So there was no pressure like you have to score good or if you don't score good that anything will happen or something like that. So and also even I used to get stressed many times during the preparation because I was like scoring good marks is important. So They
Right.
used to support me and they used to say that clear your concepts and work as much as you can, and then the results will definitely be good.
Of course. So, any sense of fear you might be having, like कि यार board exam है, कैसे होगा, कैसे नहीं होगा? Any sense of fear you are having, or you are just concentrating on your studies?
Sir, I was like mainly focused on studying good and like giving the best of what I could do, and it was like result जो भी आएगा अच्छा ही आएगा, बस अपनी तरफ से अच्छा करना है.
परफेक्ट, बिल्कुल सही है, ऐसा ही होना भी चाहिए, राइट? सो जैसे होता है कि टॉपर्स को जनरली ये कहते हैं कि नहीं, ये तो 8-8 10-10 घंटे पढ़ते रहते हैं सिर्फ और कोई काम नहीं करते, तो क्या आप बताना चाहते हैं कि नहीं भैया, हम भी और भी काम करते हैं? तो एनी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटी विच यू आर इन्वॉल्व, मतलब आप पहले से इन्वॉल्व रहे हैं?
Sir, वैसे in the school I used to go to competitions like debate competitions,
Okay.
speech wala, and quiz competitions.
Mhm.
Or at my house also I used to dance a lot and sometimes sing songs and all of that I used to do.
That's great. So this is the point, right? कि मतलब सिर्फ स्टडीज से नहीं होना है. Obviously you have to make your mind and body, fit onto that. कि ये कंपटीशन जो कि लाखों बच्चों से फाइट करना है, तो you have to be very calm in that, right? So finally सानवी, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो जूनियर हैं आपसे, right? Those who are going to be in 10th and they are appearing for board exam, right? So what is the fruitful message you want to give to them so that they can score better?
I would like to tell that first of all you have to study from the beginning itself, because this will like reduce the pressure on you during the last month, and you have to be consistent from the beginning itself. Secondly, you don't have to study for securing good marks. You have to study with interest, and you have to enjoy whatever you are doing. You don't have to take it as a burden, and then you will really like whatever you are doing and the results will be good.
That is a great answer, Sanvi. Like, I just want to refine this ki you don't enjoy, I mean, you enjoy the process. Like, you don't aim for the, yes, you aim for the CBSE, you aim for the NTSE, but enjoy the process also, right? If you will just, make your mind up to, नहीं यार मुझे वो लेना है, तो वो नहीं होगा. Enjoy the process and you will have it, right?
Yes.
So that's great, Sanvi. It's a great conversation with you. Finally, big congratulations to you also, right, and your parents, and obviously your, every mentor which is involved in this. So congratulations once again, and thank you so much for joining us, and all the best for your future. Thank you so much, Sanvi. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.